Good morning, students. So we are again back today and I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy. Yes? Students, in the last class we have studied the chapter 5 first part, only the introduction. And in today's class we will go for the rest of the topics of the chapter. Clear? In today's class we will start with the topic cascading style sheets, which is called CSS. Clear? Cascading style sheets. Now, what is this cascading style sheets? These are nothing but the presentation style. Whatever we do, whatever we do in HTML5, we can control here. Like we can control font size, color, etc. Clear? We can control. Okay. As I told you, we can control the font size, we can control the font color, etc. This is actually the cascading style sheet. Okay. This is actually what is cascading style sheets. Here we will get all the basic things, whatever we want for controlling our web page, and how it will look to the user or the audience. Okay. Now, some important points or characteristic features is, first, it is used to format the layout of the web page. What do you mean by web page? See students, when you search, when you Google search, you may find different type of pages. Yes, with the cartoons, then you can get with different colors, different designs, all those things you get. So there, this one is used. Clear? That is nothing but with the help of cascading style sheets it is done. The complete layout of the web page. Layout means the looks of the web page can be edited, changed or made. Clear? Second, it will control font size, font color, then line spacing, then background color, background images, screen size, etc. Clear? These are the main things, okay, which we find. See, when we find a colorful book, for example, if we find a colorful book, we find it easier and also we find it interesting to read. Yes, but especially the books which are black and white, we just don't like to read that books. Clear? So there should be some interesting features in the web page also, so that the users watching it will be interested in it. Those interesting features can be added to it with the help of CSS sheets. Clear? These all things can be done. Background, image, color, screen size, all this can be changed, edited and everything. Clear? So this is about cascading style sheets. Okay? Now, we will go for the syntax. Okay? Now see, what is syntax? I have told you syntax is the basic structure. Okay? Structure, that how it works. So here, selector. Here selector is written. I'll tell you what is selector. Then, within a bracket, property 1, colon, value 1. Clear? Then semicolon, property 2, value 2, then property 3, value 3, property 4, value. How many properties you want to change, all these things will be written in this format and it will be changed. Suppose, for example, one property I am taking is font size. Okay? One property I am taking is line spacing. Third I am taking screen size. Okay? And fourth I am taking background color. So I am having 4 properties to be edited. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the name of that property will be written here separately so that it will be changed. Then value 1. Value 1 means which property you want to change. Suppose when you go for font size. For example, if you go for font size, there are many font sizes you have seen. 9, 11, 14, 18, 25. These are some font sizes. Yes? So suppose your property 1 is font size. Instead of property 1, you are writing font size. And for that you will write the value also. What value you will write? Any of and value will be anything, blue, green, yellow, pink, violet, any color we can use. Clear? So that will be written here, and so on for the third, fourth, fifth and so on. Clear? So this is the format, or this is the basic structure, the syntax of CSS style sheet working. Now, what is selector? If you are asked in the examination, what is selector? Clear? What is selector? So there you have to tell is, it identifies the elements for which rule is to be applied. Okay? For example, you have different layouts, you have different web pages. Okay? You want to create different web pages for different sites. So this selector will identify. This selector will identify that where you are making the changes. Either it is web page 1, web page 2, web page 3, or which web page it is, it will identify. Then when we go for property, it is the attribute of element. Attribute of element means the thing which you need to change. As I have told you, font size, font color, screen size, whatever. That is the property. Okay. Then value will define the property. Whatever property we are using, for that the definition, the defining will be done by value. So this is the syntax of CSS style sheet. Now we will move to next. Now we will come to know ways to insert CSS in a web page. Means suppose we have created a web page, then if you want to insert, okay, if you want to put some kind of CSS elements there, then what we should do and how we will do. So for this we have different ways. Clear? The first one here is embedded or internal. Clear? Embedded or internal. The name itself is telling somewhere inside the web page. Somewhere inside the web page. Here the difference is, it can be created in the head section. I have told you in the last video, in the last class, I have told you about head section and body section. Okay, the HTML page, the HTML web page consists of two sections. One is the head section and other is the body section. Okay, so here this embedded or internal type of CSS insertion will be in the head section of the web page. Clear? And the element which we use here is style element. Clear? Using the style element, we can go and make changes in the head section. This is what about embedded or internal. Now we will see the second one. Before moving to the next one, let's first see the example. Clear? Just let's give an example and understand what is this. See, this is a format of a HTML embedded insertion. Okay, this is the internal type, and here when we want to change or edit something, this is the format we have to do. See, this head is written in the top because we are changing the head section. We are changing the head section, so we have to continue with head only. Okay, then style. We are using the style element. So next we will write style. Then body. This format you remember? Selector, property and value. We have studied now. So this is the format of the syntax. In the selector we have written body. Then for the property background color. And for value blue. We want the background color to be blue. Then H1 color blue. Then P color red. This H1 is heading. Clear? Suppose we want heading with different color, then we want paragraph words with different color. So here H1 will be used and this H1 color blue. Then P for paragraph color red. Clear? Then again we'll come back. Here our head section is complete. Here our head section is complete. We will come here and we will write slash. Okay, this slash represents that we have come to an end to this part. Slash style. See, this style was written without slash. This is written with slash. Then slash head. Slash head. Head section complete. Now body will start. See, body. H1. We are representing H1 here. See here. H1 and we are representing it here. Then we will specify here. Here we simply chose what we want. But now we will specify it in the body. That's why see in the body section we have written H1 to be, this is heading and we are ending here. Slash H1. H1, this is a heading slash H1. Then P, this is a paragraph slash P. Okay, this will go here, here, here like that. Then slash body and here HTML. In the starting also HTML is written and in the end also HTML is written with a slash. So this is the structure how we make the HTML web page. Okay, and how the HTML web page is created. Here we added this cascading style sheet and with this we changed the background color, paragraph color and the heading color. Clear? The second one after embedded is inline. Here, inline insertion style. Clear? Here, the body section is used. Here we change the body section. There we change the head section. Here we change the body section. And here we can only change or we can make changes to only single web page. Single web page which is open, then we can use that and we can change it. Now, the format, the example how it could be written. See, H1 style. Again we are using the style attribute. Okay? H1 means for heading. Style is equal to. Then in inverted comma we will write color blue means property and value. Then we will close the symbol. Then we will write a blue heading. A blue heading. Clear? And here we will write with slash H1. Here, see, here we started without slash. Here we started without slash. And in the end, in the same line, we will write with slash. This shows that this particular part is finishing here. The slash represents the finishing point. Then second property that we want to change is P, paragraph color. So again we will write P style is equal to color red. Color red, inverted comma close, symbol close, and then we will write a red paragraph. Okay, a red paragraph, and then again we will end it with slash merged or the created in the first one. Okay, so this is the external style sheet which is not only bothered for one page but it can bother for many pages at a time. Clear? And the sheets can be taken from external sources also. Clear? Now here you can see the different options. Okay, for the setting of background we have talked about many properties. Clear? I have give you some examples also, like background color, background image, etc. So other than that, many other properties are there for which we can create the value and we can edit in the web page. See, first one is background color. This will specify the background color, and here the value should be the name of the color, the value of the color if it is given in the number form, then the transparent. Clear? Transparent means light shades of the color by which we can easily write or see the contents written over there. Clear? Then this is the syntax, background color, then colon and then green or red, blue, anything. Then background image, this will specify the background image. Then here we can use the URL of the image file. What is URL? URL is the address. Okay, URL is the address of the image file. It is saved in the document section or it is saved anywhere else in the My Pictures or in the My Documents, wherever. Clear? Then we will use this syntax. See, like this, background image, then URL, then computer dot. This is the example. Okay, it is not compulsory that computer.png, maybe it may be in any other format or something like that. Then background position, it will specify the initial position of the background image, means where we want it, left top, left center, left bottom, right, then middle, wherever. Clear? For this we can write the background position, center or whatever. Okay. Then background attachment. Sometimes we want some attachments placed in the background, not only the color or image, but we want some background attachments saved. Clear? So for that we can use background attachment. Then you can see background repeat. Okay, background repeat. Then here what is the thing is, the background repeat, it will let you specify whether the background image is repeated or not. Clear? Means sometimes we want a different set of pictures to be coming one by one after the other, like that. You may have seen in the web pages, it comes like a movie. Okay, movie section, one by one it comes and goes like that. So if we want that, then we can use background repeat option. Then again you can see many other properties for styling text. Okay, styling means the decoration of the text, the font of the text. Okay, then capitalization or the uppercase, lowercase, all these things. So for this also many properties examples are given here. See, color, text align, line height, then text decoration, text shadow, text transform, all this. Okay, and here in the last section examples are also given that how you have to write the format. Okay, then value is given, that what you have to put in the value part. Then next we will go for the font. You can see for font also, font family, font size, font style, font is given as the property. See, font size you know, font style you know, and font also you know. Now what is font family? Font family means a particular name of the font. Suppose when we write the document, we use Arial font or we use Calibri font or we use Times Roman, all these fonts. Okay, so it is the name of the family which we have to specify. See, it is given in the example, font family Arial. Clear? Then come for the margins. Okay, you can see margins. For margins also different sets are given, different set of properties are given. Bottom margin, left margin, right margin, top margin. Okay, like this. Then values are given, then example is given. Then you can see for the borders also. Can you see? Yes, you can see. So you will go through all these charts and you should know the description and the values of all this. Okay? Okay. Now, how you will create a web page? See, first you will open the notepad. Okay, it is given in the computer and you will open notepad. When you will open notepad, you will find a black colored screen. Okay, a black color screen. There you will type the title. Clear? First you will write HTML, then you will write head, as I have given the example before. Then you will write like this, head, close. Then you will write the title like this, TITTLE title, then close. Then you can write any title. Here I have written Go Green. You can write any title of your choice, for what they have to make the HTML page. Then again you will close this with slash title slash head. Clear? Then this much is over. Then you will write style. Then you will continue with background color, background height, image, font size, font color, whatever you want or whatever you want to make changes. Clear? As we have seen in the examples. Clear? So this is the starting part, how you have to start. And then you will open this in Internet Explorer. Option is given there, open with, you will right click. And after clicking in the right click, you will select the option open in Internet Explorer and your web page will be created. That's it. Now, cascading style sheets are clear to you, I hope. Okay. And one video is attached for you which will easily explain you the use of cascading style sheets and you will be more clear. Okay.
Tutorial guys, I will show you how you can include CSS file in HTML document in 3 ways. So guys, firstly you write a tag, HTML tag here. This is paragraph tag, you know that. So this is paragraph 1. So firstly I will tell you about inline CSS. It's inside p tag and we hit a space button and style equal to, and we enter the property color and its value. I'm giving it a red color and a semicolon. If I'll run it in browser, now you can see its color is red. And if I want to change its font size, so I will enter after semicolon font hyphen size equal to 30 pixels. And if I refresh it, now you can see its font size. About font size and other CSS properties I will teach you later, but now I'm giving you just introduction that how you can include CSS file in HTML document. So this was the first way, using inline CSS. In the same way we can do this with heading tags also, but I recommend you not to use inline CSS. It will make your HTML code less readable and complex. So, and the second way is I'll remove this using internal CSS file. As I told you in previous tutorial, it's inside head tag it is used. Its style type equal to text CSS text forward slash and CSS, and I will close this tag and style. I will write my CSS code in this in between these tags. So I am going to change the color of p tag, so I will write p and two curly brackets, and firstly I will type the property color. I will set it to red and a semicolon. If I'll run it in browser, now you can see its color is red. In the same way, after semicolon we enter font size equal to 30 pixels. If I'll refresh it, now the font size is 30 pixels. We can also write in after semicolon in next line. So the third way is to include external CSS file. So I will remove this. Firstly we will create a new file and save it. I will give it name of style dot, you have to give dot css extension in order to save it as a css file. So I will save it. Now we will enter the link of that file inside head tag using link href, means hyperlink reference, and the location of the file, it's in the same folder. So I will type style.css and then its relation, its style sheet. So I will type style sheet, its relation, and its type. It's a css file, so it's text / css, and I will close it. Now css file is included in a html document. So if I'll write and change the color of p tag in the same way, p tag to curly braces and property and its value red. If I'll open it in browser, now you can see, oh, it's not working. Let me check. I haven't something wrong here. Link href, style sheet, type text css, style.css, relation style sheet, type text css. So it should work. I don't know why, but it's not color red. Oh, we have opened the wrong file. We have to open the HTML file. So now you can see its color is red. We were opening the CSS file, so that's why it was returning an error. In the next line, we will type its background color equal to, I will enter green. So if I'll refresh it, now you can see its background color is red and foreground color is red. Its background color is green and foreground color is red. So enough for this tutorial, guys. Let's see in the next tutorial.
So now you're clear with cascading style sheets. Now we will study creating list in web page. Okay. Sometimes we need to create a list for shopping or for the grocery items we purchase or something like that. So for that we prepare a list. Clear? And that list should be in an eye-catching manner, so that whenever we look at it, suddenly the things which we forget or something, or it could be realized soon. So for this we create list in the web page. Clear? This creating list in the web page helps the user to have a eye-catching sensation for the list, and that's why we create list in a web page. Okay? Then to create list, in web page, we have to again go to Notepad. When we will go to Notepad, we will type like this: list item tag. This is the list item tag. How we have to create list. So we will write like this: li. Li is the short form for list. And at last, after creating the name of the list, we will create, and then we will write /li. Means list will be created, and then we will add our list. Okay. See, when you want to create a very simple list, you will open Notepad. This type of screen you will get. Okay. When you will get this type of screen, yeah, then you have to just type the code. Okay, as it is shown in the figure here, you have to write like this: doc type HTML, then head, then you have to give a title. Okay, as I have shown you, title. Then suppose here it is given good character, you can use go green, or you can use anything, environment or something, whatever you want. Then you will close the title and close the head part. Then starting with the body, when you will start with the body, then you will write the body in the sense some things related to good character. See, prime personality traits, hence heading 2. Okay. Then li. This is the first topic. Okay. Under good character, prime personality trait is the first topic, first heading. In that we are creating list. See, li integrity, li honesty, li loyalty, li responsibility, li kindness, li courageousness. Then li self discipline. and in the last we are closing also. Okay, then we are closing the body, then we are closing the HTML. See, starting first we open the HTML, then we open the head, then we write about head, then we start body, open body, then we end body, and at last we end HTML. So this is what happens. Then we will right click, and when we will right click, it will give us the option to open in Internet Explorer, and when we will open in the Internet Explorer, like this the list you will see. Okay, you will see the list like this. See, prime personality traits, all the traits will be shown to you like this. Clear? So this is creating list in web page. Now see, we have different types of list also. Clear? First is unordered list, second is ordered list, and third is description list. Now we will study unordered list. First is unordered list. First type of list is unordered list. Okay, and the syntax for this is UL, and /UL. This is the starting and this is the ending. Clear? In this format only unordered list is created. Now, name itself is telling that order is not important here. Okay, order is not important here. Means we can write it in any order. Suppose we want to purchase grocery. Yeah. So it does not matter that we purchase rice first or we purchase vegetable first. It doesn't matter. We need to take it the raw ones and we have to prepare at home. So it does not matter. But there are some things where order is important. Okay. So here those things for which order is not important, those lists are made here. And it is also known as bulleted list. It is also known as bulleted list. Why bulleted list? Because in front of each item, a bullet is formed. Clear? Bullet is nothing. A solid circle. Okay, this type of bullet. This type of bullet is formed in front of each item. That's why it is called bulleted list. So this is unordered list. Okay. See, here are different type of list or the different types of properties in unordered list. You can see the list style type. Okay, list style type. Then list style position. Then list style images. Then list style. Clear? So these are some type of list styles which can be created. See, first one, it will let you specify the type of bullet used for the list item. Okay, type of bullet. Then this will tell you a disc bullet or the none. Okay, no bullet you want. Then it should be a circle or it should be a square. See, here different shapes are also shown. Hollow circle, solid square, all those things. Yeah. Then position means it should be outside or it should be inside. Outside or inside means a particular box. Inside the box bullet should be there or outside the margin. Yeah. Then image. If you want to put some images there, then you have to put the URL. Then list style. There you have to specify that either you want the type, either you want the position or you want the image. Then when you want to create a simple unordered list, what is the thing first you have to do? See, you will open the HTML, you will open head, then you will write the title, then you will write the title as unordered list, then title close, head close. Clear? Then here you will use the style type. Means text CSS. Okay, style CSS means cascade style sheet you will use. And then see UL position. Then you have to put it as outside, means you have to put the value. Then again property value like this. Then for heading 1, color red, text transform, uppercase means different properties you are using again. Clear? Then you are closing the style here. See, open of style and close of style. These are the things you want in your HTML web page. These styles you want. Done? Then you will again open the body. When you will open the body, again you will write the payment mode. See, H1 heading 1 close. Under this heading, these are the lists to be made. See, banking card, close. Aadhaar enabled payment, close. So all these things are to be written under the body. Then again you have to close the body and close the HTML. So this is how you have to create the unordered list. Then again, if you want it to open in the Internet Explorer, so it will show you like this. See, different digital payment modes. Under that, this type you will be shown. So this is what unordered list. Clear? Then the second one is ordered list. Clear? Then the syntax for this is OL. Start with OL and slash OL is the ending. Then this is known as numbered list. Clear? This is just opposite of unordered list. Here the order is important. Suppose we need to write the process of preparing a tea. Clear? So when we want to write the process of preparing a tea, we cannot write sugar first. We cannot write tea leaves first. First we have to add water. Okay. So it is a step-by-step process. Okay. We have to write the complete process. First do this, first do that, like that. So for those items, for those type of items, this is used. Clear? Then it will not use the bullets. Clear? It will not use the bullets. Instead, it will use alphabet or number 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, etc. Clear? So this is about ordered list. See, here also different properties are given, same like previous one. List style type, list style position, list style, like this. Clear? Then when you want to create this, you will go to Notepad, then you will type the title as you have done earlier. Then again when you will type the title, suppose weekdays, title close, head close. Then again style type, text CSS, like this you have to write. Then ordered list, you have to mention the syntax of ordered list. Then you have to write the property, see, selector, remember? Okay. Then heading 1, then you have to prepare the list. Then you will close the style. These are the things you want in style, then you will close the style. Then start the body. H1, days in a week. Then H1 close. Then OL. LI, Monday. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and so on. Then here 3 things are being closed. First, ordered list is closed. Then body is closed and then HTML is closed. Then if you want to open in the Internet Explorer, it will show you like this. See, days in a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like that. Clear? So this is the second type, that is ordered list. Now we will study about the third list. Okay, this third list is description list. Okay, description list. And the syntax for this is again DL/TL. This is the start and this is the close. Okay. Then what is description list? In description list, 2 things are important. First we list the item, we write the name of the item, and with that we write the description also. Suppose I am making a grocery list, rice 2 kg, wheat 3 kg, then so on. Okay, sugar 10 kg, like that. So this is the term. This is the term in the list. And this is its description. I have just given the example. Yeah. Term and description. So description list consists of 2 parts. One is the term, another is the description. Okay. Both are described with different tags. For term we write DT, means description term. Without slash, then slash. Clear? Then next is description. For description we write DT and slash DT. So these are the 2 parts of description list. See, again for this also, you will open the notepad. Then as it is we have done earlier, you will write the title. Then you will type style type. Okay, CSS like that. Then DT. See, DT means term. You have to write the term. Color red, text decoration, underline, font size large, all those things. Then TD, description, color blue, description should be written with blue color. Then font size should be large. Then for heading, okay, color should be brown in color. Text line should be center, means it should be written in the center. Remember all these things. Then font size should be X means extra large. Clear? Then you will close the style. Then you will start body. In the body you will write these things. See heading 1, classical dances. Then written for classical dances. Paragraph C, starting a paragraph P. Then you have to write the paragraph, then close the paragraph. Then again DL. What is DL? Description list. Under classical dance, we are starting with this Kathakali, then Kathak, then Manipuri. Okay, all these things we are writing. So these are the description list, and we are writing the description about them. It is from Kerala, it is from North India, like that, so on. So term is also there and description is also there. Then after that, we will close the description list, then body, and then HTML. Then if we want this to be seen in Internet Explorer, it will show you like that. Classical dance, main heading. Then after that, see this paragraph, correct? Then term, description, term, description, term, description. Okay, created. Web page is created. So this is about description. main list. Inside that there are sub list. So this is known as nested list, means one within the many. Sorry, many within the one. Clear? Now see, nested list. Under nested list, we can insert images images also. Clear? Three types of images can be inserted here. One is JPEG format, then GIF format and PNG format. Clear? See, JPEG, the most used one. Clear? Normal photo, the digital photos we are having in our mobile phones or in our computers, that one can be used. That are the JPEG format. Clear? Joint Photographic Expert Group. Joint Photographic Expert Group. Clear? JPEG format, first format. Second format that can be used is GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. Graphics Interchange Format. Okay. This graphics interchange format, this format is more than a photo. Okay. It comes with animations. Your photo will be having some animations, some moving outlooks, the moving things will be there. Yeah, so it is GIF. Nowadays in our mobile phones also, when we use the camera, we have different options. Camera option, then GIF, then video. Sorry. These are the different options which are used. Okay. Then third one is portable network graphic. Portable network graphic. This one is a bit of different kind. Portable means easily transferred from one place to other. This one is a different kind of network. Okay. When you will save this kind of photo, it will show, suppose you have written the file name of your photo as Rohit. Okay, Rohit.png. Whenever you make a drawing or make a picture or you save any photo in the document, just notice one thing. .jpeg is written, .gif is written or .png is written. These are the three types of formats that can be used for inserting the images. Clear? This portable network graphic will have some low colors or background color will be light so that everything is visible nicely. So these are the three types of formats that can be used for nested list. Okay. Then the tag for this is IMG. IMG. See, again you are having different attributes. Okay, different elements which you can use for inserting of images. Like see SRC. Okay, this will show you the name of the image. Either it is JPEG or it is PNG or any other format. Then alt attribute. This will specify the alternate text for the image. Okay, that is displayed. Means, for example, instead of the original name, you have given some other name to the image. 1, 2, 3, 4 or anything you have given the name, that will be specified here. Clear? Then sometimes we just change that name, no? That .jpeg, if we find it difficult to remember, we just change the name. So in that case, we will use the alt attribute. Then width. This will tell you that the width of the image should be in how many pixels. Then height. It will specify the height. So these things can be changed. Then we can do many other things using the rules like border, margin, position of the image. Then all the things can be changed. Then when you want to insert images, what you have to do is, again you will open the HTML, then you will write the title, then style type, then see IMG, border this much, width this much, height this much, then color, heading. Okay, all these things you will do. Then you will write the heading, then images will come, and like this you can close the body and then close the HTML. So that's all. In that way you can create the nested list. Okay, and when you will open it in Internet Explorer, okay, you will find it like this. See, categories of crops in India, the main heading, and under that food crop, first list, cash crop, second list, plantation crop, third list, horticulture crop, fourth list. So like this, under one list, many other lists are being added. So this is what nested list. Then you can see the format. See image formats, JPG format, then JPG and JPEG, both are same, don't worry. Okay. Then GIF, PNG, these are different formats of the photographs. So, in this chapter, we studied firstly about the structure of HTML document, which consisted of head section and body section. Then we studied about the different elements. Have you studied? Yes, we studied different HTML elements. We studied about HTML line spacing, then body, head, all these elements, whatever the elements are present, we studied about that. Then today we studied about cascading style sheets. Under that, about images, about the font size, font style, background, all those things we studied. Then list, we have studied 3 types of list: unordered, ordered and description list. And a separate topic, separate type of list, which is nested list. So that's all about this chapter. Finally, this 5th chapter is complete. You'll get the notes. And if you have any doubt in this topic, okay, in this chapter, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Clear? So, go through the chapter, read the chapter.